What are you doing? Ow! Nothing? Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Mine is a lot lighter. Oh yeah. Well, I took all the Coke on the way in. Listen, if you want to make as much money as me doing the same job, then you got to carry the same amount of weight. You want the dog or the rod? Okay. Come on. Come on. I'm just gonna record the whole time so I can see how long this actual walk is.
It's 11 o'clock, or, I mean,
1 o'clock, yeah.
Wow.
You made it about a third of the way through. Ain't nobody got time for that. I haven't used the bathroom at all. She's pooping. Okay. Yeah, you're on video.
No, I tell her I have to poop, but I'm just like, nope, I'm holding it until I get home. Did you ever get her bone today?
I gave it to her and then she buried it again. She was like, don't show everybody. And she buried it again. I think she was getting hot because, or I don't know what she was doing. But yeah, she was digging up, like next to that rock. Like she dug up all the leaves and then like the first coating of soil and all that stuff, and then she just laid down on it. So. Yeah.
The millipedes again. They're everywhere. So when I was peeing last night, I was like, oh, you're lucky we're not by five.
And what I'm totally gonna do before we go to Bowman's is I'm gonna load this on the computer and copy it over to iMovie, because it will take probably 6 hours for everything to get copied over. She just wants to climb logs now. She's like, I know I can do it. Those people yesterday made me so mad.
Yeah, me too. Just how, like, you said that people camp down there. I don't think I'd ever want to camp.
Yeah.
Just because I think there'd be 1,000 people.
Yeah.
That's a nice boat. You see a fish right here.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you about. We should have came down here yesterday once we realized those people up there were being lame. Wow, there's a huge fish. They just swam to the top. Look, it's never gonna stop. Oops. Saw some wildlife. I saw a chipmunk. We saw a very fat groundhog that didn't care about us at all. He just wanted to get his drink. Yeah, and 2 snakes. And 1 million millipedes.
And I don't think radar saw any of them.
No, she didn't.
Come on. No.
Bonnie used to do this fun thing where she would all of a sudden go off here, and then she would just go off the trail and go sniff something, and all of a sudden we could just hear her going doo, 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 doo. And we would seriously have to like step aside because she would just go boom, and right down the trail. She did it every time, like, I mean, multiple times. Like, she just run back and forth, and yeah. She always came back though. Yep.
I don't know if I trust her.
Yeah, I don't know if I trust radar either. Mostly now. Maybe older. Yeah, but no, not now.
Come on.
Woo! Good. Come on. We're gonna leave you. Makes her more aerodynamic.
Yeah.
She's gonna get that extra speed boost while walking. I really hope this camera can see how many bugs are right in front of my eyes. Because Because I'm counting at about 10 right now.
I was thinking about putting my sunglasses on just to stop flying.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
First tributary. Ooh. I'm glad to see she's not petrified of water after yesterday.
Yeah.
That was hilarious.
She knows what to do.
Yeah. Even if she is a bad swimmer.
You never like put her down like
Yeah, I know. I felt bad. I just did. It's a moth.
Get it! Get it! Oh, I lost it.
Nope, she's got it. Nope, now you lost it.
What's the pounced on?
Nah, it was to her right. She pounced on where it was just at, basically. Where her nose is, where it's at. Come on, Radar. Come on.
Close, but no cigar.
Huh?
We're close, but no cigar.
Yep. What bird? I heard some bird this morning, and it was like right next to our tent. It was a very lovely songbird, but it was way too early for it. Shannon, I'm gonna leave you here.
Come on, girl.
What was that?
She keeps doing it.
I'd like to know what does this.
Nope.
Maybe, yeah, because it was shorter 2 days ago. It didn't go all the way over.
Maybe a mouse and shit. If they were gonna be older.
Huh? I feel like I should take a picture of our backpacks and send them to Pat and be like, we're getting better, man.
Yeah, I don't think mine will be included in that one.
Well, yeah.
I don't know.
Your shoes untied. Got to double knot them. Like we should be coming up to a log. There it is. Radar, sit. Sit. Good girl. Very good. Sit. Or just scratch yourself. That's good too. Can I fit? No, I can fit. Nope, sit, Radar. Okay, you're good.
It last time.
Yeah, you just hit that little branch thingy.
Hit the ball down. Hit the ball down. Missed it. Missed it. It's just I'd like to have these rocks right here.
Yeah, I mean they'll be better over time because they'll get pounded into the ground, but
Trying those leaves. Everywhere.
what's up?
It's like floating down.
I really wish I could put like iMovie on my work my work computer, so I could basically like do all this